Hello guys and welcome here. So in today's video we are going to talk about the CHIINV function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function is used in order to calculate the value of the chi-square distribution for a given right-tailed probability. So this function is mostly used in statistics and mathematics, and inside of Microsoft Excel it contains only two arguments. So the first one will be probability, which will be between 0 and 1, or in other terms between 0 and 100%. So if it goes higher than 1, it means that it's higher than 100%, and in this case it's going to be an error. The second element will be the degree of freedom, and in this case it has to be higher than 1. Once again, if it's lower than 1, it will be an error. So let's try to run this function. Well, once again, what exactly you would need is you would need a probability and a degree of freedom. So let's start. So if we start, the way we're gonna start writing out this function will be simply with an equal sign, and then we can just write down our CHIINV. And here we go. Here is the function. And now we have to select our probability. So in this case right here, the probability will be 0.5, so we can select it. And then we have our degree of freedom, which in this case will be 1. So we can select it, and then we can run our function. And just like that, we are going to have the answer associated with the following arguments. Now, if we test this function, so if we go with a degree of freedom that is lower than 1, so 0.2 for example, as you can see, we are going to have an error. So 0.999, once again, it's an error. But if we go with 1, it's gonna work. Same thing for probability. If we go with something that is higher than 100%, so in this case, let's say it's going to be 1.01, we are going to have an error. So if we try again, but this time just leave 1, it's going to work because the probability is 100%. Same goes with 0. In this case, it's gonna be an error. So we're gonna use 0.01. In this case, it means 1%. So it's going to work. Now, if I want to apply this function to all my elements right here, I don't have to write it down. I can just either copy and paste it, or just take it like this and drag it down here. And just like that, I'm able to have my CHIINV function applied to all the following arguments that are right in this table. So this is how we use the CHIINV function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.